Quadratic equation, Lesson 1. What you need to know. At the end of the lesson you are expected to describe quadratic equations, 2. Transforms quadratic equations into standard form, and 3. Identifies the values of a, b and c given the quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? A quadratic equation in one variable is a mathematical sentence of degree 2 that can be written in the following standard form: a, x squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. A, x squared, is the quadratic term and a is the coefficient of the quadratic term, bx is linear term and is the coefficient of the linear term, c is the constant term and is also the constant. Write the standard form for quadratic equation and identify the value of a, b, and c. Example: 2x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. First is to check if the given equation is in quadratic standard form. Is this in standard form? Definitely, yes. Since the given equation is already in standard form, then we can now identify the values for a, b, and c. The number beside x squared is positive 2. So it should be the value of a. The number beside x is positive 6, so the value of b is equal to 6. And 9 is the constant. Another example: 3x times the quantity of 2x minus 5 is equal to 8. First is to check if the given equation is in standard form. Is this in standard form? No. To change the given equation into standard form of quadratic, we will use distributive property. A times the quantity of b plus c, so we will multiply a to each term inside the parenthesis. So a times b plus a times c. 3x times 2x is equal 6x squared. 3x times negative 5 is equal to negative 15x, so we have now 6x squared plus negative 15x is equal to 8. Is this in standard form? No. Simply because it is equal to 8. We have to remember that the standard form of quadratic equation is always equal to 0. Since it is equal to 8 and we want to make it equal to 0, we will use additional property of equality. Additional property of equality is whatever added to one side of equation must be added to the other side. So, we will add negative 8. So, positive 8 plus negative 8 is equal to 0. Since we added negative 8 on the right side of equation, we must also add negative 8 on the left side of equation, so that the equation will still be balanced. And now look for like terms. Since there is no like terms, our equation now is 6x squared minus 15x minus 8 is equal to 0. Is this in standard form? Yes. So, the value of a is 6. The value of b is negative 15. And the value of c is negative 8. The standard form of the given equation, 3x times the quantity of 2x minus 5 equals to 8, is 6x squared minus 15x minus 8 equals to 0. And the value of a is 6, b is negative 15, and c is negative 8. Another example: quantity of 2x plus 5 times the quantity of x minus 1 is equal to negative 6, so first is to check if the given equation is in standard form of quadratic equation. Is this in standard form of quadratic equation? No. Since the given equation is not in standard form of quadratic equation, we will transform this equation by its standard form using the FOIL method. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last. First, we multiply 2x times x. For outer, 2x times negative 1. For inner, 5 times x, and last, 5 times negative 1 equals to negative 6. 2x times x will give us 2x squared. 2x times negative 1 is equal to negative 2x. 5 times x will give us 5x, and 5 times negative 1 is equal to negative 5. So we have now 2x squared plus negative 2x plus 5x plus negative 5 is equal to negative 6. Then we can now combine like terms, the negative 2x and positive 5x, which is equal to positive 3x. Now we got 2x squared plus positive 3x plus negative 5 is equal to negative 6. Since the standard form of quadratic equation is equal to 0, so we are going to make this negative 6 equal to 0 by using addition property of equality. Whatever added to one side of the equal sign must be added to the other side for any numbers a, b, and c. If a is equal to b, then a plus c is equal to b plus c. In other words, always make the right side of the equation be equal to 0. Since this is negative 6, we need to add positive 6 to make the right side of equation equal to 0. Since we add positive 6 on the right side of equation, we also need to add positive 6 on the left side so that the equation will still be balanced. Then combining like terms, negative 5 plus positive 6 is equal to positive 1. So our equation now is 2x squared plus positive 3x plus positive 1 is equal to 0. Is this in standard form now? Definitely yes. So the value of a is 2, the value for b is 3, and the value for c is 1. So the standard form of the given quantity of 2x plus 5 times the quantity of x minus 1 is equal to negative 6 is 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. And the value of a is 2, the value for b is 3, and the value for c is 1. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for watching.